Hello everyone, today we want to talk about how to avoid the circle injection. We can go back to this is my front end. We have a username and password. He get username from his UI interface. Right. It's like here. Oops. Okay, I refresh. You can look here. We need to enter the username and password. Right. So uh, in here we get the username and password from UI and check the queue is not empty. This is first layer can avoid the circle injection. Then we go to this API, passing the username and password. Go through here. Uh, okay. He will go back to our backend URL, also login, and pass the source body to this request, and make the post requested to this URL. Okay. So we search this. We have to search um here, search this controls. Let's go to the because login. You can see here we have a router of login, right? So here we'll go through auth and he will go through here auth and find the login, go to this function, he will connect to DB, go to here, we can abstract the username and password from the JSON. Front end transfer the JSON to our backend. And here we find the user. First check his username can found in database. Second, validate that the password can found in database. So we're using a two-step to validate. This can avoid the circle injection because for normal way, no wait, maybe this. Okay. We will select thing from dbnet where username is equal to the something right, maybe the single quote and password is equal to the something, and we can get this from our phone end. If someone people is like this, equal to some username. We can maybe max and we can single dash. Single dash is mean uh that this sentence is comment. It's like a Python. Maybe import. We want to comment this line we using this, but in the database we using this. So this sentence is always true because you enter the max. Okay. So for normal website, you enter the max dash dash, you can log in because it's always select all the thing from database name where username is equal to max is right. This is equal to true, so we can get the whole database data. This is dangerous. If we want to avoid this, we will like split it to a two-part. Validation does he have the username and the password is correct. Mm. So we're using a two-step to check can avoid the circle injection, or you can using the ORM to avoid. In our example, we're using ORM to find. We can search what is this? This object relation mapping. Can let's use object relate to the database. Okay, goodbye.